The Ghana Football Association are confirming the biggest game in the Ghana's league. The second round. Ghana Premier League. Kotoko has the match the 31. Date for the game, Ghana Football Association. They are beto abontain. The next games are ebeko a match the 30. Which are Krobia Sante Kotoko. Ebeko no akobo brekum Chelsea. Ena phobia ye. Makra so folk and so any team my friend Adriana Stars and a bepim so acquire games are the two sides no but here relatively top size are more Premier League from Bono. Yes, na omuwia na omumienu e de abeta so in the match day 31. Yen shenen so say Kotoko has game no a match day 31 but data eba so no Ghana Football Association edi aboto abonte details and more ewa ha nti yemfa nto ya adwen so next games no a match day 30 and the next following one no ebe 31 which is Accra House of Folk Manase Kumasi Asante Kotoko versus Accra House of Folk venue no yenyina nim say e Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Yes, details and more me dey bro but for subscribe ya wadara ma no hit the rest subscriber to no about man so na ya build it ya move it together information ye ebi wo wiase me say Kotoko has nsem ne nya sipe na ye dey ba no pa me blog a story about Richmond Lamte and a Messiah story about Ashanti Gold on Ashanti Gold information be say one sha Ashanti Gold for no ebekwa akọ take over club bia and likely say Oba Ghana Premier League no into one hwe behu Ashanti Gold ewo Ghana ye Premier League no next season. Yes, eno ye nkomodi bia metete and I mete ho ama inti the all kakra bit man ka fa ho no but me nyanyo official. Yes, team na kade now are qualified to the Ghana Premier League or boss side hona into the be free mo babyano ya de bebro e wo fia ampacho now Kotoko has game no match day 31 no according to the Ghana Football Association. Kotoko bebo Saturday against team my friend Brekum Chelsea. After that next game no be match day 31 into almost 26th of this month May ebesi kwasia da we ya ebe na otwe and be landed 26th of this month. Inti kwasia da da yanimu yi na otwe kwasia da da yanimu ye 19th ni following 26. Almost game no ye normians at 3 p.m. Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Kremo Ntua if you were able to currently Kotoko 40 points, across Fuko 38 points, 10 and 11. Into a very crucial game. Yes, into any ancient also.